Hi, and welcome back to Industrial Surplus. Today we're going to do another video of a Okuma Howa Millac 438V 4-axis capable CNC vertical machining center. This machine was built new in 2000. It's equipped with a 41 by 16 inch table. Travels are 32 by 17 by 17. Maximum distance under the spindle is 23.5. Spindle speeds are 60 to 10,000 RPM. It's a Cat 40 spindle nose. 20 position tool changer. It's equipped with this Fanuc 18IM CNC control. 10-inch color screen. The CR RS-232 port and a floppy disk drive. 160 meter part program storage. I have the original Fanuc installation record. It's equipped with a tool probe there. Part probe. Tool probe and a part probe. But I do not have the probe for the spindle to go with this, but it has the interface, the Renishaw interface card, and those two probe systems. Let's see, coolant pump and tank, but it's not here. It's in another part of the building, but we do have it. It's also equipped with this auto lube system. Here's the coolant pump itself. The tank is in the back, and spindle oil refrigeration unit. And this machine is also equipped with a chip conveyor, which is a nice feature. And 24 horsepower integrated spindle, 2-speed, 230 460 volt, and it's running on 230. So we'll go ahead and start a short program, show you how it sounds. Listen to it. Okay, that's a short but sweet program. Do it again. And why don't we just manually go through some speed changes? Maybe go up to what? What's the 3750 is the magic number?
Yes.
And we can get to 10,000 on that. So right now we're at 67. Oh no, 3,300. 47, 5,300, 6,000. 7,500, 8,000, 9,500, 10,000 RPM. Sounds strong. Nice. I'm just going to walk around to the right hand side. I'll show you the electrical cabinet, and you can start the program maybe. And here's the manual pulse generator over here. And I'll just show you the inside of the electrical cabinet. I have a full set of books on disc for you. And this item here with the O&H Millac 438V is the data card. Take this off. This is a well-built, heavy-duty Japanese machining center. It's equipped with heavy duty box ways on the X, Y, and the Z motion. Oh, okay. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We will be happy to answer them for you if we can. And if you'd like to arrange for an inspection yourself, feel free to do so. Thank you.